Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find someone on Venmo so you can send or request money quickly and safely. There are two main ways to do it, searching manually or using a QR code. To search manually, open the Venmo app and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then select Search People. It has a little spyglass next to it. In the search bar, type your friend's name or username. When the results show up, tap on the profile you're looking for, check the profile picture and info to make sure it's the right person, and then tap Add Friend under their name. This ensures you're connecting with the correct person and not sending money to the wrong account. If you happen to be in the same room as the person, using a QR code is even faster. In the Search People menu, tap Scan Code at the top. Have your friend open their QR code by tapping the icon on top of their profile picture. Then hold it under your phone's camera until Venmo recognizes it. Once it scans, tap Add Friend to connect instantly. These two methods make it easy to find anyone on Venmo safely, whether you're searching from afar or in person. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Venmo tips, and comment below what you want me to cover next.